Welcome! Today we're going to load the multi-purpose tray on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Raise the paper flap. Open the multi-purpose tray. Extend the paper support. Adjust the paper guides to fit the paper. Place the paper on the multi-purpose tray with the printing side face up. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.